guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received both of my Target beauty boxes. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so on my Instagram and on my community post the other day, I posted that Target had 2 new beauty boxes, and it seems like they're doing it different. They're doing them by themes now instead of by month. Before, for example, it would have been January's beauty box, December's beauty box, but now they're like themed. They had names to them instead, but these are not ones that I've got before. So I purchased both of them so we could see what is inside of the 2 boxes for this month. I will link down below if you want to check them out and see if they are still available. They're from Target's website directly. They're $7 each box. It's not an actual subscription box. You see what's inside and then you purchase it if you would like. And every month they come out with a or a few new boxes. Sometimes there's more than one, like this month we have 2, but for the majority of it, there's 1. And I know like for like Father's Day, they'll throw out like a man's box. Sometimes around Christmas, they'll throw out a man's box. And then I normally always get a $3 coupon inside. So I try to utilize that as much as I can when I can. So if you do use that, then it pretty much makes this box $4, free shipping, and you get to use this nice box for storage or for anything. So let's go ahead and go into this one first. Really pretty on the outside packaging. And then when you open it up, this is the Clean Up Your Beauty Routine. And yes, we do have a $3 off coupon you get to use on a beauty purchase of $15 or more for cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. So I do like to definitely use that. Every little bit helps. And then when you open it up, that's what it looks like inside. So for this box, the first thing that I'm pulling out right on top is this vitamin C, A, B3, B5, and E. What is this though? Shake well. You're supposed to shake this little thing well. It says shake well. Vitamin, normal to dry skin, oil, cocktail. But it literally says shake well. So you gotta shake it. Shake it, shake it. Okay, so that's number 1. You have that little sample. Then there is a premium round cotton ball round. There's 2 different ones in there that you can try out. Then we have native charcoal deodorant. We have, oh, it said there's even a coupon, save $2 now, pill here. This I think is Love and Planet. I think this was laundry detergent. Yes, laundry detergent. So there is a $2 off coupon if you wanted to purchase it. And this is 4 times concentrated laundry detergent, lavender and argan oil. I'm not hip on lavender scent, so I'll probably pass this down to somebody else to try out. But here is a laundry detergent. That's cool that you get to try it. I didn't even know that Love and Planet made laundry detergent. So I might check next time I go to Target and see if they have different scents. I would definitely be interested in trying this in a different scent. But I know somebody would use this, and this says 10 loads. So this should do 10 different washes. Then we have is a coconut oil body lotion by Palmer's, which that is really good. And there we go. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, definitely coconutty. Coconutty. So, normal lotion. I can't put scented lotion on my new tattoo just yet, so don't go down past your hand. It does smell very tropical. That smells good and it feels good, so there's that. And that's a perfect size to toss in your purse, your book bag, your backpack, your gym bag, or anything like that, your golf bag, because this is like a perfect little travel size. Okay, you guys, so next we have is shower sheets, large body wipes, instantly cleanse, refresh, and deodorizes. So there's that. there's a lot of stuff in this one. This now is like that same brand of that other thing. I believe this is the same. Yes, the same brand as this. And this says Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. So that looks like a better sample size to try out versus this, but at least you get to try out 2 different ones. So that's cool. Then you have is Meyer's Clean Dry Hand Soap sample. Hold on. There's that. And then the last thing in here is Burt's Bees Purely White Zen Peppermint Fluoride Free Toothpaste. And you also have a coupon on the back if you want to purchase the full size. So that is everything that came in this box. Let's go ahead and look into the other one and see what we have. And then we can see which one is better than the other. So this one looks so pretty. This reminds me of like my my star like solar night sky thing. So let's go ahead and get in here. This box I'm definitely keeping. And the theme for this one is out with the old, in with the new, same $3 off coupon. Then when you open this one up, that's what this size looks like, or this box looks like. So starting right on top is Olay Regenerist. This is the Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, fragrance free, which I have an Olay product. I think it was like $30 for the full size, or like 30 something, maybe even close to 40. It's a night cream and I really do like it. So I'm excited to try out this one because this one I've never tried before. So here's that. This is the one that I have, the Olay Whips. And mine is red. This is light as air finish active moisturizer. Mine is the Whips that I do use and I really do like that. And there's also a $3 coupon inside both of these. So if you wanted to purchase the full size, they do give you a coupon in that. So that's cool. Let's see how big the samples are, because they fool you on this big ass box with this little tiny sample. But this, you can at least maybe get 2 nights out of it. Let's see. It does go a long way. Okay, no. See, this isn't the consistency that, I'm not flipping you off. I don't think this is the consistency that mine is. So I don't think mine is this. You know what? Mine's not red. Mine is like a goldish color. That's right. Mine is more of like a goldish color. Fragrance free. But there's enough in there to give you a few nights to try it out. But that is just so cute and deceiving at the same time. So I'm sure this other one is going to be exactly the same size. There you go. Hello in there. There you go. That is just too cute. I mean, that's just really cute. I'm glad I opened that up because I thought it was going to be a way bigger sample inside, and nope. Okay, so this is a brand that I've never heard of. It says hair food, coconut milk and chai spice, sulfate free, dye free, paraben free, mineral oil free. Here's a conditioner and a shampoo, and I do appreciate that they gave you one of each. I don't know why they taped one but not the other, but here is the 2 different shampoos and conditioners. So let's get a little whiff on the one that's opened. That does smell really nice. I can definitely smell the coconut. So that would go good really with that Palmer lotion, and the other one, the scents, would go good together. So I can't wait to try these out. This one does have a toothpaste as well. This is the Crest 3D White. And I like to save these for when I travel because these are perfect for air travel. Like the size is perfect for traveling. So these smaller ones I tend to save for when I travel. Then here we have is a number 7 booster serum. And this little guy right there. Number 7 is really good skincare. I really do like their products. So I'm excited to try out something different. And this says firming. So it's for firming. Then we have is Perfect Edges Argan Oil. There's a little sample of that. And then we have Refreshing Water, or Relieving Peel Off Watermelon and a Cooling Avocado Clay Mask. That's really cool. I like that. So that is everything that came in this second box. So you guys comment down below, let me know which one did you like better, the first box, the second box. Did you order any of these boxes? Let me know down below. Like I said, they're probably both still available, and they did still have a few like past boxes available on their site too. So again, I will link these two down below if you want to check them out. Again, they're not a subscription box. You get them when you want them. If you don't want them, you don't get them. That's one thing I really do like about the Target Beauty Box. Plus, they do give you the $3 off coupon. So if you get to use that, then it's like getting that box for only $4 and you get to try out some amazing products. And you do have a box that you can use for storage in the future if you would like. You can store anything in them. I do use them, and then some I do save. And when I send out like giveaways to you guys, I'll put them in there so I can protect the things in a box and put an envelope, that kind of thing. But I always do use their boxes. I never throw them away. So there's that. So again, comment down below. Let me know which box did you like better. If you even liked any of them, let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.